Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're cutting through the noise on some of the most talked about diets: keto, vegan, and intermittent fasting. Let's break down the pros and cons of each so you can make an informed decision about what might work best for you. Let's start with the keto diet. This high-fat, low-carb approach is designed to put your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Keto is known for its ability to promote quick weight loss and maintain steady energy levels, making it a favorite among those looking to shed pounds fast. It can also help reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. But it's not without challenges. Keto can be difficult to stick to because of its restrictive nature. It may also lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're not careful with your food choices. Plus, many people experience the keto flu during the initial phase, which can be discouraging as your body adjusts to the diet. Next up, we have the vegan diet. This plant-based approach eliminates all animal products, focusing entirely on fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Veganism is praised for its heart health benefits, the potential to lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of certain cancers. It is also a more environmentally friendly choice, appealing to those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. On the other hand, going vegan can make it challenging to get certain essential nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3 south. You'll need to plan your meals carefully to avoid deficiencies. And let's be honest, transitioning to a vegan lifestyle can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not accustomed to it. Finally, let's talk about intermittent fasting. This isn't a diet in the traditional sense, but rather an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss, improved metabolism, and enhanced mental clarity. Its flexibility is a big plus, as you can choose a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle. However, it's not for everyone. Some people find fasting difficult and may experience irritability, low energy, or even develop disordered eating patterns. It's crucial to listen to your body and ensure you're getting enough nutrients during your eating periods. So, which diet is best? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best diet is the one that works for you. Consider your goals, lifestyle, and how you feel on each plan. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more health insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.